What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing a daily update on SafeMoon token. First of all, as usual, we are on their website and basically what SafeMoon is. It is a protocol that's slightly different than any other protocols in the web, and it is the first one among others. Here is the main difference, that SafeMoon employs three simple functions: reflection plus LP acquisition plus burn in each trade. The transaction is taxed at 10% fee, which is split two ways. 5% fee is redistributed to all existing holders, and 5% fee is split 50-50, half of which is sold by the contractor into BNB, while the other half of the SafeMoon tokens are paired automatically with the previously mentioned BNB and added as a liquidity pair on PancakeSwap. And let's continue with their latest news. Here is their Twitter as usual, and as you might see, they have 98,000 followers. For now, the speed of acquiring new followers to this community is slightly lower than it was, for example, 5 days ago, but it is still impressive. And let me show you their recent tweets. The most recent one was this. It was published 4 hours ago. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for crypto, SafeMoon. And it is very famous quote of Neil Armstrong. Not this actually quote. Let me show you this one. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. And this man, he was the first person who walks on the moon. And let's continue with SafeMoon protocol. The most important tweet that might lead to good price movements is right here. It was tweeted 11 hours ago, and it says, "Tomorrow we reveal quite possibly our boldest innovation yet. A lot of you know SafeMoon Exchange has been our vision since the beginning. So we invite you to join our CEO as he discusses why this may be one of the biggest moves within crypto space to date." And by the time I will publish this video, I think it will be already published. I think it will be available in the web. But since I live on the other side of the earth from the majority of my viewers, I have to record each video from 10 to 12 hours before it is published. So we don't have any more news. It is just a retweet of Elon Musk's tweet. And Elon Musk tweeted going to moon very soon. It is a lot of mysterious around this tweet, but nevertheless it is what it is, and we have to keep our eyes on Elon Musk. Maybe he will say something. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And one more thing, guys, if you like my videos, please share it with your friends. It really helps me, and I'm sure that I can provide more interesting and useful data for you for the investments and for the technical analysis. And basically that's all what I want, and let's continue with the TA. So I did my previous video right here during this small consolidation phase, and my assumption was that we might hit even this high, or most probable we might break this low, and we broke it. As you can see, we poked through this level. It was the major support right here, and we had good volume. This means we might go even lower from this point where we are now. But we also have two possibilities, and let me reveal all the data that I have. So, as I already mentioned in my previous video, we have this level as our previous major resistance, and for now it becomes a support. Everything that was a resistance becomes a support, and vice versa. And on top of that, we have 0.786 level. It is one of the lowest Fibonacci levels from the structure of from this bottom to this top, and it is exactly 78.6% lower than the peak. And here I have my breakdown of previous wave, and it was with the assumption that we cannot break this low, and as far as we broke it, this count is eliminated. And let's continue with my previous count that I made just I think 5 days ago, and it was like this. This is our first wave, this is second, third, fourth retracement. As I already mentioned at this point that we might have a retracement, but we have entire structure right here, and for now we have our fifth wave right here, and basically we can hit even our 0.786 level, but for now it's to be determined, and I will show you how we can do it. So we have to have 5 waves in our last move, and right here we have, let me show it to you. We have first, second, third, fourth retracement, and here might be even 5 wave completed, but for now I'm not sure. And let me show you why I think we might have a reverse even from this point. Basically we have 2 good signs. We have this huge volume, it is a green bar, and let me show you the candle. This candle called a hammer, and it is usually the trend reversal candle with the good volume. But right here we have a good volume at the bottom, you can see this long bar, but we didn't have the trend reversal. And on top of that we have one more small hammer with the low volume, but so far we have this reaction, and we are up from this point. And let me show you indicators. We are on 1 hour time frame, and as you can see on RSI we have bullish divergence. What does it mean? It means we have higher lows on RSI compared to lower lows with the price action, and this means anytime soon we might have a trend reversal even from this point, because this pattern is very strong. Usually it is very strong, and on top of that we have almost entire structure completed, and that's why I think we might don't even hit the 0.786 level, but it is still possible. And that's why you have to be extremely cautious with your potential investment with this token. Basically, you have to stick 3 simple rules in order to be successful and not to be hurt by some losses. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose, and it is the most important and most crucial rule in the entire investment world. Second one, do not go all in. This point is crucial for you to ladder your buys down, because almost always you can ladder your buys down, and in this case you might have better price. Next one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price, and this is because of the volatility. Each and every time with the tight stop loss you might be kicked out from the trade, and if you are kicked out from the trade it's very difficult to have any profits at all, and that's why you have to stick this rule as well. So let me show you what key points do we have right now. So basically first point is this low. If we break this pivot point right here, this means that we will go lower, and we might hit level of 0.786 with almost 90% certainty. And if this pivot holds, it might give us an opportunity to form a new uptrend. And from this point, if we will see higher lows and higher highs, I will do another update, and from that point I will make an assumption for our new targets, because our previous targets, they are not legit, because we have new information from the price action, and that's why our lowest point might be right here. And basically from the technical standpoint I think that's it. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and tomorrow I will do another update, and basically that's it. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!